why am I going to use both the pen and the cursor to trace this marble to get a water jet cut file? Well, I'm going to use the pen and trace right along the bottom edge and get a great outline for the outside of the part. Just trace it with the pen stylus, and there's the outline. Now for the top of the marble, you'll notice I have a little bevel here. Well, I'm going to use the cursor. It's got a little crosshair and a magnifying glass. Line that right up on that top bevel and trace it. Just do the points right, line those points up, and get that file. It's so easy. Isn't that cool? It can trace the top of it. Now, there it is. It looks great. Now I have 6 holes here. What am I going to do with the holes? Well, I'm going to trace those as 1-point holes. They're 3/4 of an inch. I'm going to take the cursor and line that up right in the middle of that hole and push a button, and it's going to pop in a circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There it is. It looks great. Save the file.